How to make your Instagram account private. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio, and today's guide I'll show you how you can easily make your Instagram account private. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to do that, simply go and open up the Instagram application from your phone, and once you're here inside the Instagram application, go and tap on this profile icon at the bottom right, and from the profile go and tap on this three dot line at the top right. Now once you're here inside the Instagram settings and activity, you just need to scroll down a little bit and you'll get to see the option called account privacy. You just need to tap on this, and the private account feature is currently turned off. That means your account is now in public mode. So if you enable this feature, go and tap on switch to private and your account will be turned into the private account. And this is how you can make your Instagram account private using Android or iPhone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.